Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun project share to share with you guys. But first off, happy Saturday and happy Mother's Day to all you amazing mamas out there. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I am off on weekends, so on Friday nights I tend to craft away. And about a week, maybe or 2 weeks ago, I came across a video from Myra. I will have her link down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out. And she was showing a project share as well, and she made this super cute typewriter, you guys, and I completely fell in love. And I knew that I wanted to create it. I just needed to find the time. Hers is adorable. It has a Valentine's Day collection. I'll link the video as well down below so you guys can see how cute hers is. I decided to use My Mind's Eye, My Story, I think it is. And I'm obsessed, you guys. I don't really think that I can send this baby away. And I think that every time I make one, I'll probably feel the same way. So I don't know the next time I'm going to create one, because they turn out so cute, you guys. So I want to give you a little overview. I'm going to have all the information down below, you guys. The file, the inspiration video, all of it. You guys know that I always leave everything down below. But this is what the box looks like. It is a box, and I'm going to show you. If you hear that, inside is crinkle paper. I ended up putting a straw back here just to give my little piece of paper here a little bit more balance. Just because it looked a little too flimsy and I wasn't really liking that. But that's the back. Oops, my box is opening. Hold on. Okay, that's the back. I did a lot of stitching on the little panels. How cute is that little button? And then I put a cute little butterfly. Now, on the file itself, you're going to see that I kind of did my own thing with the keyboard. I liked the idea that Myra had on hers. I didn't really like the keyboard that came with the file itself. So, of course, I played around with the keys just like she did. I liked her idea more. So I did that with mine as well. So there's a few things that you'll see different when you look at the file. But you can switch it up however you want. Look at that, how cute. I did like double layering on the paper. And like I said, it is a box. So inside you can stuff it with goodies. I put some crinkle paper in it. You guys, is this not the best gift ever? I think that if someone ever gave me a gift like this, I would just be like, what? This is so cool. Like, I think it's such a cute idea. The things that we can do with paper, you guys, still mind blows me. And look at this. The paper is perfect. I love this collection. I'm not sure if I said it already, that it's My Mind's Eye, My Story. That's the collection I used. I love the pinks in it and like the magenta pink. So I did stitch around all the panels just to give it that little extra. I did the stitching, and then I put some little gemstones here from Michael's. I stitched around this little, it's like a little Project Life card. I added one of those little Hobby Lobby bows. The SVG file actually comes with a butterfly, but I put my own because I didn't really want to make the butterfly. So I just put one of these that were from Michael's, I think last year. And I think it turned out super cute, you guys. This is a perfect little file. It does take some time, but if you turn on some Netflix and you just get to cutting, you will not even notice the time. I think I was doing it for about maybe 2 hours. It took me 2.5 hours. But I just turned on my Netflix, you guys, and started watching it and crafting. And next thing you know, it was done. The little numbers, or not the numbers, the letters are from a sticker book from Recollections in Michael's. It's the smallest ones I had. And since I didn't have, it only had an exclamation and not like any other little arrows or anything like that, I just put 2 little enamel dots, which I still think it turned out adorable. But yeah, you guys, that is my project share. Let me know down below what you guys think. You guys are showing me so much love on Instagram when I posted the picture. But yeah. Have a great weekend with your friends and family and loved ones. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.